Hi friends, Sunil here. Welcome to this channel. In this session we are going to discuss command line arguments in Python. Command line arguments are input parameters passed to the script while executing them, or arguments passed to the program at runtime. Now we'll see how to give these command line arguments. You have to go to the run, then edit configuration. In the edit configuration, the parameters I am giving say 40, 30, 25. Say. So I have given three parameters 40, 30 and 35 delimited by spaces. That means in between the parameters, in between the arguments you should have one space. Then after that, I'm clicking the apply button here and close. Now here in the program, import sys. The Python sys module provides access to the command line arguments which we are given now. It provides access to these command line arguments through this sysargv. This sysargv is similar to array. We can retrieve the values just like array. So here I am printing the argument list. The entire list it will print. Then the argument count using the length function. I am counting the number of arguments. This is similar to argc in C. Argc, that argument count in C, it is similar to that. Using the length function, I am counting it. Then I am printing the script name argv0. The first element in the list will be the program name. So that is getting printed here. We will execute this. So this is the argument list. There are 4 elements in this list. The first one is the program name, the script name, along with the path. Then the actual arguments which we are given. The argument count is 4. The length of this is 4. Length of this argv is 4. That is the argument count. This is argc in C. Then script name. That is for first element, that is the zero index, element at 0 index. That is the script name. That is the program name. Command line arguments cmd ln args. Then excluding the program, that is length minus 1. Length is argv minus 1. That is the actual arguments which we are given without the program name. That is 4 minus 1 is 3. Now we will try some other function. I will try to print the minimum number in this list. Minimum of these arguments, that is 40, 30, 35, it should give me 30. The minimum from the list, minimum of the arguments, that is from argv 1 to 3. So the minimum is 30. So now we will try to add all these elements using a for loop. That is n is 4. The length of the sysargv is 4. So we are going for I in range 1 to 3. That is 1 to 3 means this is 1, 40 is 1, 30 is 2 and 3. 1 to 3. We are adding up. So the sum of all this is 105. So 105 is the sum of the 3 elements. Now we can make some changes to that. I am going to edit configuration. I am adding a float value, say 2.5 here. Apply and then run. So the float value has come here. So minimum is 20.5 is 2.5 and sum is 107.5. So hope you have understood this program. If you like this video, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks very much.